You see a lot of posts today in wholesaler groups, especially, but most real estate groups with people asking for dead leads. What are dead leads? When we talk about dead leads in that context, usually what we're talking about are leads that maybe wholesalers have been talking to. Wholesalers, as a rule, have to get real estate for a discount. So they're looking for a $200,000 house that they can buy for maybe 130 or 140. That's going to leave them room to add a wholesale fee to it and then sell it to a rehabber or maybe a landlord type that wants to hold rental property. So they're looking for room to add that fee onto it. And for them, a dead lead is going to be a seller that they speak to that says, hey, we owe 200 on this $200,000 house. We can't take 130 or 140. So the seller says, oops, well, sorry, I can't help you. Click, and they move on to the next thing. So what can a wholesaler do to make money off of those leads that they would normally just trash? Well, they can talk to a creative finance investor like me, or thousands of other guys out there that do sub-2 or creative finance, because we can pay $200,000 for that $200,000 house. Okay, we can either take over payments on that existing financing, or give the seller some of their equity and take over payments, or do seller financing with them at favorable terms that allow us to either sell or rent the property and still make money. So typically, when you're seeing these posts about dead leads, that's what they're talking about. Leads that can't be bought at a discount. The seller's fixed on their price, and we figure out a way to give the seller their price, but structure the terms where it's still favorable for us. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.